Welcome back. In this video we will see how to change the background color and the font color in MS Excel. So let's start. I have already prepared this table. Now let's say for this cell I want to change the background color. Now it is white. So what I will do, I will go to this home tab, and in the font section you can see there are two colors present. The first one is for the background color and the second one is for font color. For the font color you can identify there is A written, and here you can see one color bucket is there. You can say this is for background. So I want to change first the background. I want to change it to any other color, let's say green. So I will change it to green. I can select from this drop down and I can change it to green. Now I want to change it to any other color, let's say which is not in this list. You can get more color from this selection. You can identify from here. Let's say I'm selecting this and clicking on OK. You can see the color has changed. Now if you don't want to put any color, you can click on this no fill. You can see the color. You can click on here. You can see the color has changed to white. That means no color is there. Now you want to change the font color. So we'll go to this option. You can see now it is black. You can put any color, let's say red. Now you can see the red is selected, or you can change it to any color, let's say green. It is now changed it to green. You can select more color from this more colors option. You can find this in the down. So you select on that. You can see any color from here. Let's say I'm selecting this one and click on OK. You can see the color has changed. So this is how you can change the background color and font color. Now this is for one cell. If you want to select many more cell, I'm selecting this 12 cell. Now I want to change the both the background color and the font color. I can select. I will, let's say I'm changing it to black. The background color is now black, and I want the font color to be written in white. So I will go here and I can find the white options. You can see now the background color is black and the font color is white. I can change it to any other color, let's say this color, and I'm selecting the cells. I'm changing the first the background color to any other color, let's say this, and changing the font color to, let's say blue. Now you can see I have changed both the font color and the background color. So this is how you can change the font color and background color of any particular cell or more number of cells, any particular column or full table, anything you can change. So that's it. Thank you.